We will now assign each macro to its corresponding shape in the menu bar on the left. To do this, right-click each shape, select Assign Macro from the drop-down menu, and then choose the corresponding macro from the list. Repeat the process for the remaining shapes to create navigation buttons for the sheets that will be added later. To save this macro-enabled workbook, follow these steps. 1. Click on File and select Save As from the drop-down menu. 2. Enter Assessment Book as the file name. 3. In the Save As Type drop-down menu, select Excel Binary Workbook. 4. Before clicking Save, create a new folder to organize your file. Click on the location where you want to save the workbook. Then click New Folder, name it, and open it. Finally, click the Save button to complete the process. Close the VBA editor and maximize the Excel window. Copy the formatted sheet to create new sheets, then rename each sheet to match its corresponding navigation button. This ensures that each button will navigate to its respective sheet. Right-click on the Home Sheet tab and choose Move or Copy from the menu. In the dialog box that appears, select Move to End from the list, check the Create a Copy option, and click OK. Rename the copied sheet to Teachers. This ensures that the macro assigned to the shape named Teachers will correctly activate that sheet when the shape is clicked. Great job. Now right-click on the Teachers Sheet tab and select Move or Copy from the menu. In the dialog box, choose Move to End, check the Create a Copy option, and click OK. Rename the copied sheet to Subjects to ensure that the macro assigned to the shape named Subjects activates the correct sheet when the shape is clicked. Repeat the same process for remaining tabs. Carefully follow the steps demonstrated in the video for the best results. These are the final steps in setting up the automatic assessment program. Ensure the color formatting of each sheet tab matches its corresponding shape to make navigation clearer and more user-friendly. Watch the video carefully to avoid missing any steps. Remember, this is the initial setup of your program, and it's important to get it right. In the next video, we'll cover the setup of the home sheet, teacher's sheet, subjects sheet, and student data sheet. Don't miss this series, as each video builds toward creating the automatic assessment program, where you'll be able to generate all assessment reports with just the buttons you created in under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first to know when the next video is released. After formatting the sheet tabs and shapes, test your setup by clicking on each shape to confirm that the correct sheet is activated. If you missed a step and didn't achieve the desired results in this test, go back through the video and watch carefully to identify and correct the mistake. Once you've tested your setup and found no errors, you're ready for the next tutorial, which will be coming soon. By the way, I've developed an automated assessment program for several schools, and I believe you can build one too after completing this series. We'll continue this tutorial all the way to creating the login page for your program. Once that's done, you'll be able to integrate it with the newly introduced assessment system of the standards-based curriculum, which requires online data entry. I'll show you how to link everything, so keep following along and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any important updates on Papua New Guinea's Education Department's assessment changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.